Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage, how can see your bio on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click privacy and security, and now here you will find bio, click on it, and here as you see you can manage, you can see your bio, and that's it for today. That's how to manage who can see your bio on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.